representations. Starting with the logic gates. Students, anyone?
Logic gates are basic building blocks.
Right. Logic gates is an electronic device that makes logical decisions based on the different combination of digital signal present on its inputs. These are also called combinational circuits because the output is totally depend on your present inputs. If we are using two inputs at the input side, your output depend on two inputs. If we are using three inputs, your output is depend on the combination of three inputs. So it means their possibilities also increases with the combinations of inputs. Logic gates are the building blocks of digital circuits we are using in various electronic devices. They are fundamental to design of computers. Digital logic using transistor is offered to as transistor logic, and TTL is technology most often used in or pen drives and hard disks. These gates are AND or NOT, NAND, NOR, exclusive or an exclusive NOT gates. Basically, we have three types. One is basic type, universal gates, and then exclusive special purpose gates. Okay, so we have three types of basic gates and or not, and universal gates we have two types, NAND and NOR, and two special gates, that is exclusive or an exclusive NOR gates. Starting with the basic gates, first is your basic gate is AND gate, so it has two or more than two inputs, but जो आपको यहाँ पे symbolic representation है students, so it has two inputs and one output. Two inputs are like your A and B, and one output like your AB. Okay, why it produce AB? Because it represent output in the form of multiplication, so it gives multiplication result, combination of inputs. If we are using three inputs, ABC, then it produce output ABC in the form of multiplication. So your table is totally constructed from your number of inputs and outputs. We have two inputs, so that's why we have two sections of two columns of inputs A and B, and one output, that is product of AB. So we have two inputs, so 2 raised to power 2 is equal to number of output possible combinations. So we have four possible combinations starting from 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, 0 is written as in 2-bit combination 0, 0, 1 is written as 0, 1, 2 is written as 1, 0, and 3 is written as 1, 1. When we are giving these combinations at the input section, we will get output 0, 0, 0, 1. Multi-input circuit in which the output is 1 only if all inputs are 1. The symbolic representation of AND gate is like this. The AND gate is an electronic circuit that gives high output only if all the inputs are high. So students, this properties belong to all the combinations of inputs. When all the combination of inputs are high, then it will produce output high. Otherwise output is 0, because when we are multiplying 0 at any input, it automatically gives output 0, low output. Second is OR gate. Again, it gives you result in the form of addition. If we are taking two inputs A and B, it produces output in the form of sum A plus B. If we are taking 3 or 4 inputs, it produces output your A plus B plus C. In case of 3 inputs, in case of 4 inputs, it produces output A plus B plus C plus D. Okay, your truth table constructed from your number of inputs and output combination. आपका जो truth table होगा is totally depend on the number of inputs and output. So we have two inputs. So we have two columns of input A and B, and one output that is in the form of addition A plus B. So it has again four possible combinations of input 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 1, 1. So students, start from this point. First give first input 0 plus 0. A is 0, B is 0, it produce result 0, 0 plus 1, it produce 1. Then A is 1, B is 0, it produce 1, and 1 plus 1, it produce again 1. Okay, so its nature is to produce output in the form of addition. Okay, the OR gate is electronic circuit that gives high output if one or more of its inputs are high. अगर स्टूडेंट इसमें से आपके दो इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन में एक इनपुट भी अगर आपकी हाई होती है, then it produce output high, otherwise 0. And plus sign are we are using because of it's a OR operation. Now down. This is a NOT. Student, now tell me what is the function of NOT gate?
इनवर्स में आउटपुट देना सर।
सिंगल में
अगर वन
इनवर्स
पुट
में
करे
आउटपुट
तो
देना
जीरो में
रिवर्स करना
आउटपुट रहेगा, जीरो
आउटपुट को।
करे तो वन में आउटपुट आएगा।
okay. So second name of NOT gate is
इन्वर्टर।
inverter. Okay, right.
Inverter.
So if we have output, student, note down. If we have output A complement, B complement, C complement. If we have output A complement, B complement, C complement, इसको complete कर लो. Y is equal to A complement, B complement and C complement. Product A complement, B complement, C complement. Now student, check the statement and now tell me how many gates are NOT gate and AND gates are required to design this output.
सर जरा फिर से बोलिए तो once.
Y is equal to A complement, B complement, C complement. Now tell me how many NOT gates and AND gates are required to design circuit for this expression.
So 3 not 1 and.
Yes, so 3 not because it's a single input.
Sure. My expression is Y is equal
3
to
not 2 and.
because students check this expression. This is Y is equal to A complement, B complement and C complement. Now check students, this MS word is visible to all.
Yes sir.
Yes sir।
This is Y is a parameter of output and is equal to A complement, B complement and C complement. So how you can form A complement bar, B complement, that is B bar, C bar. So it means we need 3 NOT gates.
3 not gates
Because
not
NOT
two
gate
and.
is a yes, NOT gate
Three
is
not
a
and
single input
Single
device.
output input. Yes, sir.
Yes. So in case of NOT gate, we have single input and single output, but we have 3 variable A complement, B complement, C complement. For this purpose, we need 3
or gates
yes,
maybe।
Not on 1 and.
So this is student A. It produce output A bar. It produce output B bar. Sorry, this B parameter.
सर स्क्रीन वाइट शो हो रही है।
स्क्रीन वाइट है आपकी?
नो
And
सर
it-
सही है।
visible है।
अरे मैं री
Yes, students, visible.
Yes sir.
Yes sir.
So students, so we need 3 NOT gates to produce A complement, B complement, C complement. But this output, this expression gives output in the form of multiplication. Now tell me which gate will produce output in the form of multiplication?
And gate.
AND gate.
और गेट।
Yes, AND gate. No, students, AND gate. So we need one AND gate. So this AND gate has 3 inputs. मैंने आपको एक्सप्रेशन में इसकी डेफिनेशन दी थी एंड गेट इट हैज 2 और मोर देन 2 inputs. Okay, number of inputs now, but in this case we have 3 inputs and it will produce output. Now it produce output in the form of multiplication of A bar, B bar and C bar. Right students?
Yes,
So
Yes sir.
okay, so this expression need 3 AND gate and 1 AND gate to produce this output. Note down student, तो दिस इज द बेसिक स्ट्रक्चर. तो फर्स्ट आपको इस तरह का क्वेश्चन आ सकता है, डिजाइन by using this expression by a combinational circuit. So first you have to identify the how many gates are required, how many basic gates are required. So in this case 3 NOT gate and 1 AND gate is required. Okay students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay students, now check my one more expression and tell me which gates are required. Y is equal to A plus B plus C complement. Now find out the number of gates are required. Now first आपने क्या identify करना है? Identify how many gates are required and which gates are required, and then design a circuit for this equation.
Sir, 2 not and 2 or.
So
2 not gates
Sir,
and
repeat
2
the
or
question
gates.
once, please. I got disconnected.
okay, now find how many gates are required and design a circuit for this expression.
Sir, 4 gates required.
Sure?
Sir,
Yes,
three
sir.
gates required, two
Sir,
NOT
4.
gates and one OR.
One oh yes, sir. One or.
2 or and 2 not.
Yes, sir.
2 NOT gate is right. 2 NOT gate, 1 NOT gate is required for B bar and one second NOT gate is required for C bar. Now check how many OR gates are required.
2
Sir,
sir.
2.
वो भी 2 ही
2
है
sir.
Sir, two.
2.
It means student note down. 1 NOT gate is required for this expression. Okay, and second OR gate is required for this expression. Okay, now check. First we are connecting NOT gate to produce B bar and second for C bar. Okay, now use one OR gate.
Yes, sir.
तो इट प्रोड्यूस आउटपुट. स्टूडेंट यहाँ पे आपकी आउटपुट क्या आएगी?
B bar plus C bar.
B bar plus C bar.
B bar plus.
Yes, it produce output B bar plus C bar. Okay students, now but हमारा एक्सप्रेशन किस में आना चाहिए? We need this expression A plus into B bar plus C bar. So it means one more OR gate is required. Okay, which having this output as a input and second input as a variable. Okay, then it produce y is equal to a plus b bar plus c bar. Okay student,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
note down student, one more question, note down. I am giving one more question and correct this. Y is equal to AB plus A bar into B C. How many gates are required to design this expression? First,
सर एक नॉट गेट,
Sir,
3
five.
एंड गेट.
5 gates, which are
Yes,
Sir, 1 not,
five.
1 not,
Three
2
or.
and 1 or.
Three,
Three
sir,
or.
one or, two and one not.
1 not.
Are you sure? 2 and
Yes, sir.
Yes,
but
sir.
I am
Yes,
not
sir.
sure. Student
Sir,
check.
this is sure.
Student please check. First, this is a product term and this is a product term, right?
Yes, and Q2.
Okay.
Because it
One
will
AND
give
gate for
multiple
this.
inputs.
Students first note down. One AND gate required for this expression and one AND gate required for this expression. It means 2 AND gates required. Now product of this BC with this A bar. It means students tell me क्या होगा आपका?
3 and
3,
gates,
sir.
sir.
3 and gate.
3 AND gates.
Yes, sir. 3 and
3 AND gates. अगर मैं simplify this expression and okay, अगर students मैं आपको simplify this expression and solve, then 2 AND gate, 1 NOT gate, and then 1 OR gate.
Or gate.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because this A bar in multiplication with this output BC. तो आपको अलग से कोई बार लेने की जरूरत नहीं है. Simplify this and then you will get your answer. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Done, sir.
Okay. Yes, student note down. This is a NOT gate. The output is 0 when the input is 1 and the output is 1 when the input is 0. This is the symbolic representation of an inverter. The truth table is constructed according to a number of inputs and output. We have single input, so that's why we have single output. That is the inversion of your input. You can change your variable at the input. You can choose any variable according to the requirement of circuit. A bar, B bar, C bar, X bar, Y bar, Z bar. So totally depend on your statement, question statement. Okay, students, now tell me how many types of universal gates?
2.
Okay. Okay.
NAND
and
and NOR.
NAND and NOR.
And NOR.
And NOR.
And NOR. Okay. इनको हम यूनिवर्सल क्यों बोलते हैं स्टूडेंट्स? Why we are called it universal?
because
We
it
can
Because
design
से
other
सारे
circuits
gate
from
बन
it.
जाते हैं.
Our
Yes, sir.
old
and or not बन जाते हैं.
Okay. Yes, because we can design any gate with the help of NAND and NOR. Okay, students, आपको डिजाइनिंग का एक 2 मार्क्स में क्वेश्चन आएगा. डिजाइन, फॉर एग्जांपल, डिजाइन एंड गेट बाय यूजिंग NAND, डिजाइन और गेट बाय यूजिंग NOR, डिजाइन और बाय यूजिंग a NAND gate. So we can design any AND gate, OR gate, NOT gate, exclusive gates with the help of NAND and NOR. Okay. So
Yes, sir.
starting with the NAND gate, again it has 2 inputs and 1 output. Okay, students. So it has 2 or more than 2 inputs. इसमें जरूरी नहीं है कि 2 inputs हो, 2 से ज्यादा भी हो सकती है. It has 2 or more than 2 inputs. So this is the statement of universal gate NAND. It has 2 or more than 2 inputs, but it produces output in the form of product then bar of inputs. Okay, because we are using first AND gate,
And
then
second NOT.
this output.
NOT.
Yes, then output of this AND gate is followed by inverter. If this AND is produce AB, then it gives the output of AB, that is AB bar. If you are taking 3 inputs ABC, then it produce ABC bar. If you are taking ABCD, then it produce 4 outputs ABCD bar. Okay, students. Next is your truth table is totally based on your number of inputs and output. Okay, जो आपका AND expression होता है, that is 0 0 0 and 1. ये उसी का reverse है, because we are using inverter at the output of AND gate. So your output of AND gate is feed as an input to the inverter and it produce 1 1 1 0. Otherwise, its expression, output expression is AB bar. So you can put the values of A and B individually in this formula and you will get your answer. Okay, students. Now this is A is equal to 0 and B is equal to 0. Put these two values in this expression and you will get your answer. That is 1. Check and tell me the answer is correct or not.
Correct, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct,
Okay.
sir.
Now put the second value 0, 1. And tell me, 1 is correct or output?
Correct, sir.
0 into 1. 0 into 1 is 0 and 0 bar is 1.
0,
Similarly,
1.
1 into 0, put these values in this expression. 1 into 0, 0 and 0 output is 1. You will get your answer. 1, 1, 1 and 1 bar is 0. Okay, students? So this is the output for 2 input NAND gate. अगर स्टूडेंट्स मैं यहाँ पे आपको बोलूं नोट डाउन डिजाइन 3 इनपुट NAND गेट एंड 2 टेबल देन
A, B, C है ना, सीखा.
क्वेश्चन इज डिजाइन 3 इनपुट NAND गेट symbolic representation and 2 टेबल.
उसके 3 इनपुट होता, 1 आउटपुट होता, ट्रुथ टेबल में
टू
होता
दी
0
पावर
0
3
0
होंगे
तो
कॉम्बिनेशन.
1 आएगा, 0 1 0 तो भी 1 आएगा.
ट्रूथ टेबल में 8 लाइनें बन.
Okay, students. Now note down this is a 3 input NAND gate. So first input is your A, second input and third input is C. Then what is the output?
इनवर्स
A,
ABC क्या बोल
A,
B, A, B, C.
ABC
B
बार.
and C bar. Okay.
Yes sir.
If we have 4 inputs at the input section of this NAND gate, then output is A, B, C, D bar. Now construct truth table for this expression. अब मैं आपको बोलता हूं कि your truth table is totally depend on your number of inputs and output. तो आपका यहाँ पे possible combination क्या होगा students? And tell me.
2 to the power 3 8, sir.
So 3 0 3 1 2 0 1 2 1 0.
Students, we have first 2 columns based on your number of inputs and number of outputs. Right, students?
Yes sir.
Inputs A, B, and C, and one output that Y is equal to A, B, and C bar. Table for 3 input NAND gate. Now tell me the combination, possible combinations for this 3 input NAND gate. कितनी combinations लोगे? In case of 2, we have 4 possible combination, but in case of 3, we have
We have
8.
8,
8,
sir.
sir.
स्टूडेंट्स नोट डाउन. आपको कभी भी कोई भी आपने कॉम्बिनेशन निकालना है, कॉम्बिनेशन इज आप कैसे फाइंड करोगे? अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस फॉर्मूला 2 raised to power n is equal to m. व्हाट इज n? n क्या होता है आपका? n is your according to your number of inputs. Okay, and what is m? m is number of possible okay, number of possible inputs combination. तो n यहाँ पे आपका कितना है? 3. It means 2 raised to power 3 is equal to 8, and means we have 0 to 7. Okay, तो it means जो आपका यहाँ पे रेंज क्या होगा? आपका यहाँ पे बाइनरी इनपुट कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होगा? 0 to 7. 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So your 0 in 3-bit combination is written as 0 0 0. Your 1 is written as 0 0 1. Your 2 is written as 0 1 0. 3 is written as 0 1
0 0.
as 1 0 0. 5 is written as 1 0 1. 6 is 1 1 0. And
1 1 0.
1
1 1 1.
Students, so we have 8 possible combination to produce the output. Now check the output. आपका output क्या होगा?
1 1 1 1 1 लास्ट में 0.
यस, यहाँ पे आपका बार है स्टूडेंट, चेक करो ऊपर टॉप पे. इस बार से क्या होगा आपका? अगर आपका यहाँ पे पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशन इनपुट 0 है, प्रोड्यूस 1. तो आपका 0 to 6 क्या रहेगा आउटपुट? 1 1 1 1 1 1. But in last case, it produced
from 0.
0.
0. Okay, 1 1 1 is 1 and 1's complement is 0. Okay, students.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now check. AND gate. It is a combination of AND gate and NOT gate. It has two or more inputs and one output. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग इनपुट आप n रख सकते हो, बट आपका आउटपुट क्या रहेगा स्टूडेंट्स? 1 रहेगा या इंक्रीज हो जाएगा?
1.
वन नहीं रहेगा
One
सर।
brother.
और आपका आउटपुट क्या रहेगा? 1 ही रहेगा. आउटपुट ऑफ NAND गेट्स आर हाई इफ any क्या होगा? Any one inputs are low. ओके अगर आपका 2 कॉम्बिनेशन ले रहे हो A and B एज ए इनपुट, अगर आपका एक भी इनपुट क्या है आपका हाई है, क्या हो जाएगा आपका?
So एक भी इनपुट लो होगा तो हाई आंसर आ जाएगा, 1 आंसर आ जाएगा.
ओके दिस इज करेक्ट.
Yes, sir.
यस
Now check student, if your any one input is low, in this case 0 0 0, it produce output high. Okay, if both the inputs are high, then it produce output 0. Okay, this is the property of NAND gate students. Note down. अगर इसमें से एक भी आपकी इनपुट लो होती है, then it produce output high. If both the inputs are high, it produce output 0. The symbolic representation for NAND gate, and this is a NOT AND gate, which is equal to an AND gate followed by a NOT gate. Okay, not focus on this expression. So this is your and followed by NOT gate. The symbol is an AND gate with a small circle on the output. This small circle represent inversion. ओके स्टूडेंट, जो आपका ये सर्कल है इस सिंबल में, ये आपका क्या प्रोड्यूस कर रहा है? दिस प्ले एज ए इन्वर्जन पार्ट. तो जो भी आपका इनपुट में मल्टीप्लिकेशन आएगा विद दिस एंड प्रॉपर्टी, तो वो इसको क्या कर देगा? कॉम्प्लीमेंट कर देगा. Now down students, next is NOR gate. Now tell me how many inputs and outputs are connected with this NOR?
2 input,
One output.
ओके अगर आपकी यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स आपकी 4 इनपुट्स होती A B C D, then what is the output?
So
A plus
A plus B plus C plus D bar.
Whole bar.
D bar.
A plus B plus C plus D bar. Okay students, this is the answer. And in this case your OR gate is followed by NOT gate. So first your inputs are connected to the OR, then output of OR is given to this inversion and it produces output A plus B bar. Similarly for n number of inputs, so it has 2 or more than inputs and it produces single output. Students, note down, this is the truth table for 2 input NOR gate. So in this case, note down students, in this case we have 2 inputs and 1 output. तो इसलिए हमारे पास कॉम्बिनेशन क्या होगा? पॉसिबल कॉम्बिनेशंस आर 4, 0 to 3, 2 raised to power 2 is equal to 4 and range of selection is 0 to 3, 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1, and put these value one by one step by step into this expression and then you will get your answer. And verify these all answers. Student, check and tell me these are answers correct or not.
Yes, sir. Correct. Yes, sir. Correct.
Okay. ओके जो भी स्टूडेंट्स आपकी और की आउटपुट थी और गेट की, उससे रिवर्स हो जाएगा. और की आउटपुट थी आपकी 0 1 1 1 और नॉर क्या हो जाएगा? इन्वर्ट कर देगा उसको. क्या हो जाएगा? 1 0 0 0. Note down student, it is a combination of OR gate and NOT gate. It has 2 or more inputs and 1 output. The output of NOR gate are high when both inputs are low. ओके इसमें प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? इसकी प्रॉपर्टी क्या है? अगर आपकी एक भी इनपुट हाई होती है देन इट प्रोड्यूस आउटपुट 0. ओके वन प्रॉपर्टी क्या हो जाएगी आपकी? हाई, देन इट प्रोड्यूस आउटपुट 0. इफ बोथ द इनपुट्स आर लो देन इट प्रोड्यूस आउटपुट हाई. तो इस गेट में आपका आउटपुट तभी हाई मिलेगा जब आपकी दोनों इनपुट्स लो होंगी. Similarly, this is a NOT OR gate which is equal to OR gate followed by NOT gate. The symbol is an OR gate with a small circuit on the output. The small circuit represent inversion. So this is part of your inverter. So output of OR is connected to this NOT as an input and it produces this bar. Students, note down. One more question and tell me how many gates are required and which gates are required. अब आपने 5 कर लिए हैं, 3 basis and 2 universal. Okay students?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Note down this expression. Y is equal to AB bar plus A plus B bar. This is the simplest form of output. Now tell me which gates are required to design a circuit for this expression.
2 OR gate, 2 NAND gate.
For
So NAND gate, one NOR gate, and one OR gate.
Yes.
very
NAND.
good. Your name?
So one NAND, one NOR, and one AND.
One NAND, one NOR,
Okay.
and one OR.
And NOR and OR.
Yes, students, यहाँ पे आप चेक करो, यहाँ पे स्टूडेंट्स 3 आउटपुट्स हैं. AB bar is given by NAND gate, A plus B
Yes,
bar
sir.
is given by NOR gate. और
Yes,
जब
sir.
आप दोनों आउटपुट्स को प्लस करोगे, then ये this is simple आपका प्लस है. So it means one OR gate is required to sum this and this output. Okay, students, कर लोगे डिजाइन?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, हो गया.
जरूरत है करने की या कर लोगे?
कर लेंगे सर.
Yes,
कर लेंगे
sir.
सर.
किया.
ओके, वेरी गुड. आंसर मिल गया, नहीं कर पाओगे ना?
Yes, sir. हो
कर लेंगे
जाएगा.
सर.
सर करता.
This is A, this is B input and this is an AND gate and it produce output. क्या होगी स्टूडेंट इस केस में आउटपुट आपकी?
AB bar.
AB bar.
Very good. Okay. Now I am using one NOR gate. आउटपुट क्या रिक्वायर्ड है मेरी स्टूडेंट्स? A plus
B bar.
B bar.
so it means I am not taking I am taking input from this section. Okay, so it produce output this and one OR gate, simple OR gate is required, and these outputs of NAND and NOR are feed as an input to this OR gate to produce output of this expression. Okay students, check.
Yes, sir.
ओके, कर लोगे? नाउ नोट डाउन वन होम एक्सरसाइज क्वेश्चन. गलतियां नहीं करोगे. y इज इक्वल टू A बार C बार प्लस A बार B Okay, student, note down. Plus C bar plus note down, student. This question as a homework exercise. So how many AND gates, NOT gates, and NOR and NAND gates are required? Anyone guess?
दो और गेट है तो कंफर्म ही है.
Sir, 3 NOR. Sorry, sir, 3
Sir,
NAND,
4 not.
3 and
2 OR.
ले.
3 NAND, 1 NOR, and 2 OR.
3 and
नैंड बेटा, नैंड का तो नैंड एक्सप्रेशन तो है ही नहीं, इसमें एक ही है BC बार
एक ही है.
रिक्वायर्ड, क्योंकि इसमें एक ही एक्सप्रेशन है. इट मींस वन
NAND
नैंड
gate.
रिक्वायर्ड.
AC का सर अलग अलग बार है.
Sir, 4 not है.
हाँ जी, A कॉम्प्लीमेंट C कॉम्प्लीमेंट अलग अलग है बेटा.
ओके ओके सर.
ओके, आई एम लिविंग. आप घर पे करना, टुमारो वी विल चेक. ओके.
ओके सर.
Okay, students, we have two universal gates. One is NAND gate and NOR gate. Okay, both are having two or more than inputs and single output. Student, note down the third type, that is a special purpose gates, and we are also called it exclusive gates. Your first type is exclusive, is XOR gate. It has two inputs and single output, and it produce output of A XOR B. Your table constructed from number of inputs and outputs A and B. These are inputs, and it produce single output A XOR B. Okay, students. XOR gate, the output of exclusive OR gate is 0. Note down, students, this point. The output of exclusive OR gate is 0 when its two inputs are same. Okay. And its output is 1 when its two inputs are different. It is also known as anti-coincidence gate. Okay, so in this case, check in first property and the last case, first and third, 0, 1, 2, 3. In the step 1, both the inputs are 0. In the step 3, both the inputs are high. Then it produce output 0. Otherwise, when we are changing inputs, one is 0 and second is high, one is high and second is 0. Then it produce output high. Okay, students, note down the second expression. Second expression for this exclusive OR gate by is equal to A XOR B is also written as A bar B plus A.
सर दोबारा समझाना एक बार.
B bar.
B bar.
Okay, तो note down student, this is the second expression. तो हम इसको मैथमेटिकली जो आपका जो A XOR B है, हम इसको इस तरह भी लिख सकते हैं. To find the outputs for any expression A bar B plus A B bar. Note down students, आगे जितने भी हम सर्किट्स को सॉल्व करेंगे by using this expression करेंगे A bar B plus A B bar. So this is the second expression for X OR gate.
सर वो गेट दोबारा समझा दो.
So in this case, students, your output is 0 when both the inputs are 0 or high, means low and high. It will produce output 0. Otherwise, if any one input is low and another input is high, it produce output high. Okay, students, तो exclusive OR gate आपका तभी आपको output high देगा जब इसके एक input 0 है और दूसरी 1 है. The exclusive OR gate is a circuit which will give a high output if either but not both of two inputs are high. The encircle plus sign is used to show the XOR operation. Okay, students?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, note down next. Exclusive NOR gate. The output of two input exclusive NOR gate is high state 1. इसकी output high तभी होगी when both the inputs are low or high. इसमें उसका रिवर्स होगा, जो आपका एक्सक्लूसिव OR गेट है उसमें आपकी आउटपुट हाई कब होती है, जब आपकी एक इनपुट लो होती है और एक हाई होती है. इसमें आपकी आउटपुट हाई कब होगी, जब आपकी दोनों इनपुट या तो लो हैं या फिर दोनों आपकी इनपुट हाई है. Exclusive NOR gate is a circle which will give high output if its two inputs are high, and in circle plus sign and top bar is used to show the XNOR operation. Student note down, in circle and with top bar, so this will show the expression and this is the symbolic representation for your exclusive OR gate. तो XOR में सिर्फ ये होता है, अगर हम यहाँ पे एक बबल कनेक्ट कर दें ठीक है, तो it replaced by your XNOR gate. So your XOR gate is replaced by XNOR gate if we are connecting this bubble at the output of your XOR gate. Note down student, this is the truth table. So in this case your output is high only when, so its conditions are it produce output high only when both the inputs are low or high. ओके स्टूडेंट, तो आप इन तभी कंडीशंस में यूज कर सकते हो आप इस गेट को व्हेन बोथ द इनपुट्स आर लो और व्हेन बोथ द इनपुट्स आर हाई रिक्वायर्ड. और सर्किट डिमांड्स प्रोड्यूस आउटपुट हाई व्हेन बोथ द इनपुट्स आर लो और बोथ द इनपुट्स आर हाई, देन इन दैट केस यू कैन यूज दिस गेट ओनली. ओके, अगर आपको सर्किट रिक्वायरमेंट है यूज, ठीक है, एक्सक्लूसिव OR गेट, then in that case it produce output high when one input is low and one output is high. Note down student, the second expression for exclusive gate, exclusive NOR gate, y is equal to a bar d bar plus ab. Note down students, this is the second expression for XNOR gate and this is the second expression for XOR gate. Okay students, note down these two expressions, these are very different from the original ones. Note कर लिया सबने?
Yes sir. Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Students, now tell me any doubt from the logic gates. Okay, tomorrow in next session we will do implementations of NAND and NOR. We can design any gates with the help of NAND and NOR, but आपको ये basic gates आने चाहिए उससे पहले. सबको clear है? We have 3 types of basic gates and 2 universal and 2 special purpose gates. Yes students, tell me.
सर एक्चुअल में होता क्या है, गेट्स ट्रांजिस्टर्स होते हैं?
It is a combination of transistors, diodes, ठीक है? You can make any switch application by using.
It's a whole circuit.
अपीयरेंस में जैसे क्या पूछें,
different logic gates have different natures. Okay. For example, student, I am sharing the one IC diagram. Wait. Now check students कि आपका कोई भी गेट होता किस तरह है, how it is formed in IC structure. IC तो पता है ना स्टूडेंट क्या होता है, what is IC? IC is an integrated circuit. Okay, so student, so this is the IC of your hex inverter. Students, this is IC 7404. Student note down. Students, सबको दिखाई दे रहा है? Visible to all?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Okay. Student note down. The logic gates have 14 pins IC. So each IC is designed with 40 pins. So in this case, pin number 7 is grounded and pin number 14 is VCC. Now check. Out of 14, 2 pins are engaged with your circuit, ground and VCC. So how many pins are left? 12. Out of 14 minus 12 is, sorry, 14 minus 2 is equal to 12. So we have 12 pins. Now, according to the inverter, so inverter is your single input and single output device. Okay, that means how many parameters it has? इसमें कितने पैरामीटर हो गए स्टूडेंट्स? 2. एक इनपुट,
Yes, sir.
Yes.
दूसरा आपका आउटपुट हो गया.
Input and output.
ओके, इनपुट एंड आउटपुट 2 मेरे पैरामीटर्स हो गए आपके. नाउ डिवाइड 12 by 2. So it means is 6. So you can design 6 inverters in single IC. ओके, जब आप मार्केट से परचेज करते हो फॉर स्विचिंग एप्लीकेशंस, आप उससे नॉट गेट डिमांड नहीं करोगे. आप उससे क्या डिमांड करोगे मार्केट में? प्लीज गिव मी IC 7404. ओके, IC 7404. क्लियर? तो आप जब ये IC डिमांड करोगे तो इट मींस दिस इज अ इन्वर्टर IC. So you can use this IC for switching application. Okay, students. So this is the input. Second is the output. Again input, output, input, output. Okay, students. Now check input, output, input, output, input, and output. So you can design 6 inverters in single IC, and this 6 is known as hex inverter. Okay. Similarly, in other ICs, this is the IC 7408 for AND gate. Note down, students. So it means in single AND gate we have 2 inputs and 1 output. तो आपके कितने पैरामीटर्स हो गए? 12. So students, 3. Now divide 12 by 3. So it means 4. So you can design 4 AND gates inside single IC. दिख रहे हैं आपको स्टूडेंट? इनपुट, इनपुट, आउटपुट, इनपुट, इनपुट, आउटपुट, input, input, output, input, input, output, and 2 pins 7 and 14 are used for supply, ground and VCC. Okay. Similarly, in case of OR gate, same structure. Similarly for NAND gate and similarly for NOR gate. So you can use the combination of NAND, NOR, and or inside IC. So we have different representation for different logic gates. Okay, you can use these IC inside your circuit. Okay.
Yes, sir.
That student. Okay. Student, now down. Next topic is fixed point representation. Note कर रहे हो student?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Students, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So, student, this is not in your syllabus. Fixed point representation and floating point representations. This is your next semester part in computer architecture and organization. In next semester, I will teach you in detail fixed point representation and floating point representations. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
So note down, fixed point representations क्या होते हैं? Fixed numbers of bits are available to represent a binary number. Okay, suppose binary number आपने कोई represent करना है तो first you have to fix number of bytes inside. exposed in 4-bit, 8-bit pattern, 16-bit pattern, 32-bit pattern, and 64-bit pattern. Okay. And fixed point representations have two parts. One is your width and second is position of binary points are defined. तो स्टूडेंट इसमें आपको जब फिक्स पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंट करना है किसी भी नंबर के अंदर, तो आपके पास दो चीजें होनी चाहिए, एक उसकी विड्थ और दूसरा उसका पोजीशनल नंबर, कि आपने उसके पोजीशन नंबर के बाद कितना आपने उसका पॉइंट फिक्स करना है, उसको ब्रेक करना है. ओके, यहां तक क्लियर है स्टूडेंट? स्टार्टिंग विद द फिक्स्ड नंबर ऑफ बिट्स आर अवेलेबल टू रिप्रेजेंट अ बाइनरी नंबर. तो योर नंबर ऑफ बिट्स आर फिक्स्ड according to the statement of question. And second, your fixed point representation is divided into two parts. One is with width and second is position of binary points are defined. Okay, note down students. Consider 8 bits stored in a memory. आपके पास कोई एक मेमोरी है जिसमें आपकी 8 बिट्स हैं. आप चेक कर लो इसको, आपकी इसमें कितनी बिट्स हैं स्टूडेंट्स? 8 है या 10 है या 12 है? काउंट.
8 sir.
ओके, अब मैं आपको बोलता हूँ. ओके, नाउ स्टूडेंट्स मैं आपको तीन डिफरेंट एग्जांपल दूंगा एंड ट्राई टू फाइंड द फिक्स पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन एंड देन फिक्स इट्स पोजीशन विद डेसिमल नंबर. ओके, आपने उसका डेसिमल नंबर भी फाइंड करना है. तो हम क्या ले रहे हैं, एक एग्जांपल ले रहे हैं. कंसीडर 8 बिट स्टोर्ड इन अ मेमोरी दैट इज 100111110. ओके, नोट डाउन स्टूडेंट, दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट. When represented as fixed 8,3, तो स्टूडेंट्स आप इसको कैसे रिप्रेजेंट करोगे? आईटी स्टूडेंट्स, आप लोग सीए में पढ़ रहे होगे, अभी आप सीए कर रहे हो आजकल. तो हाउ यू कैन फॉर्म दिस टाइप ऑफ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन फिक्स्ड 8,3? एनीवन? व्हाट इज 8 स्टूडेंट्स? नाउ चेक द फर्स्ट पार्ट. पहला पार्ट
the number of bits before the decimal and the बाद.
Your first part 8 is represented width. Okay, कि आपकी width क्या है? Your width is 8.
8 sir. Yes sir.
Okay, clear student? Your fixed point representation, first part is width and second is position of binary points are defined. तो पहले आपने इसमें फिक्स में क्या डिफाइन कर दिया? विड्थ. और दूसरे पार्ट में आपने क्या डिफाइन कर दिया? पोजीशन ऑफ बाइनरी पॉइंट्स आर डिफाइंड. तो इट मींस योर पोजीशन इज डिफाइंड फ्रॉम दिस पॉइंट, यूनिट प्लेस, 10th प्लेस एंड 100th प्लेस. तो इट मींस योर दिस 8 बिट्स इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 5.3 लाइक दिस. नोट डाउन स्टूडेंट, योर विड्थ इज 8 and your position of binary is defined through this 3. So it will be 10011.110. And now find out the decimal according to the this representation of memory. So how you can find decimal point? By multiplying by this integer 2 raised to power 0, 2 raised to power 1, 2 raised to power 2, 2 raised to power 3, 2 raised to power 4. और फ्रैक्शन को कैसे मल्टीप्लाई करोगे स्टूडेंट? 2 raised to power -1, -1, -2 and -3. Okay, then you will get your answer like this, 19.75. Okay, so this is students how you can represent your fixed number within width and position with the respective point. Now down students second, and now tell me the answer. When represented as fixed 8,4, टेल मी स्टूडेंट आंसर क्या होगा?
1001.1110.
Width is 8 and your binary point is in, इसमें क्या होगा? इसका मिड पॉइंट होगा 1001.1110 like this. Correct? Correct student?
Yes sir, correct.
Yes sir.
Okay, your width is defined by number of 8 bits. But this width is divided according to your 10th unit, 10th, 100 and 1000 place. So we need 4 binary positions from the right side. So this is a fixed point representation. Now represent student like this when represented as a fixed 8,2. Now tell me.
0.10.
ओके लास्ट में आपका 2 पॉइंट पे पॉइंट आएगा ना?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Okay, note down 100,111.10. Okay, then you will get your answer like this 39.5. So students, यहाँ पे अगर किसी को डाउट हो तो आप पूछ सकते हो. In today's session we have discussed logic gates and fixed point representation. इसको हम स्टूडेंट्स नेक्स्ट सेमेस्टर में डिटेल में करेंगे. फिक्स्ड पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंटेशंस एंड फ्लोटिंग पॉइंट रिप्रेजेंटेशन. व्हाट इज mantissa, what is exponent, and how we can calculate the fixed point representation and floating point representation. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you students for being part of today's session.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
आने के लिए.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir.
Wait for students, wait for attendance.